student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. This is very important for competitive purpose as well as 11th 12th. Ionic equilibrium, we are discussing solution composition. Find out the pH when mixture of two weak acids are there. So HA and HB are two weak acids. When they are mixed together, find out the pH of the solution. So two weak acids, suppose we are taking HA. So K1 is the acid dissociation constant of acid HA, and C1 is the concentration of HA, and C2 is the concentration of second weak acid HB, and the acid dissociation constant of second acid will be Ka2. Okay, so this is Ka2 for HB. So the HA, what is HA and HB? They are weak acids. When they are mixed together, the pH will be this hydrogen ion concentration. First remember, hydrogen ion concentration is equal to square root of C1 Ka1 plus C2 Ka2. Means here this is the product of concentration and acid dissociation constant. So product of this first acid and product of C2Ka2 of the second acid, sum of this, when we take square root of it, it will give H positive concentration, H ion concentration. So pH will be equal to minus log of H ion concentration. We easily calculate out how. I will give you one example. What will be the pH of mixture of two weak acid? HA1 concentration given, Ka1 given, HA2 concentration given, and K2 is given. Options are given to you. Okay, now what I did, I use the formula H ion concentration is equal to square root of C1 Ka1 plus C2 Ka2. Put the value 10 to power minus 1, 10 to power minus 5 for Ka1. Okay, this value, and then 0.2 into 10 to power minus 6, this is second value. Okay, so this is for HA2. So this is HA1, this is HA2. When we will do this from here, H1, this H ion concentration will be equal to, coming to be square root of, when we are taking, it is coming to be 1.095 into 10 to power minus 3. Now pH is equal to minus log of H positive concentration, and we got H ion concentration is how much? 1.095 into 10 to power minus 3. This is H ion concentration we got. So pH will be equal to minus log of 1.095 into 10 to power minus 3, that is 3 minus log of 1.095. So put the value of log of 1.095 here, 3 minus this, so we will get 2.96 pH. So H ion concentration for two weak acids are taken. The formula is used. H positive, molar ion concentration of H positive is equal to square root of C1Ka1 plus C2Ka2, C1Ka1 plus C2Ka2. Concentration of H